What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I have a tutorial showing you how you can see old usernames for Instagram profiles directly in the Instagram app. This is kind of a recently new feature that Instagram added, but I think it's great. As somebody that has had random profiles pop up into my feed, you kind of wonder what their past profile was before when somebody completely transformed their account into something new, and you're kind of curious just to make sure that you don't want to hit that unfollow button quite yet if you know that it's somebody that you know. But most of the time when it's a profile that is completely different from something that you want to follow, you will unfollow it yourself. But it is kind of interesting to see the old usernames. Now, this doesn't appear for all profiles. Only profiles, I guess, that Instagram considers public profiles and could have an influence. I forget exactly how they explain it. You could see it here in just a second when it pops up. But I did find one profile of a TikTok creator that I do follow myself, and this option does appear on his profile. However, there's a lot of other big profiles that it doesn't appear on. I think it's still in beta testing, so I'm not really exactly sure the development, but it is there on certain profiles, so it doesn't hurt to check. But once you're on that profile, hit the three dots in the upper right-hand corner, and the fourth option down there is going to be an option called About This Account, and that's going to give you some additional information on the account, including the old usernames. So go ahead and click on that and get into that menu. And you can see here the date that they joined, the where the account is based in, and then the third option down there is former usernames. Now, for whatever reason, this appears for his profile and not a lot of other people, even though that he doesn't even have a past former username. Don't ask me, you could still click on it and see former usernames 0. He hasn't had any former usernames. And also, if you're kind of curious, that paragraph that I was talking about earlier under account information kind of just talks about what I was referencing, that it's to accounts that reach a lot of people or they advertise on Instagram. So that could be it, because he's advertising, and some other profiles don't necessarily do that. Don't ask me. You could click on that link and read all up on it if you do choose. But other than that, that is pretty much all there is to it. If you did have any questions, though, or were confused at all, leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful, like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching and have a great day.